अम्मा कैंटीन का जायका पोंगल तक राजधानी दिल्ली को भी मिलेगा, लेकिन सिर्फ तमिलनाडु भवन में ही।
I didn't expect such a quality for such a low rate. We thought the quality would be less or something like that. So it's actually both ways.
తమిళనాడులో మొగమలు అదిరిపోతున్నాయి. సాంబార్ మొగల్ రారమ్మంటున్నాయి. నోరూరించే కమ్మరైన వంటకాలు ఆహ్వానం పలుకుతున్నాయి. రండి ఆరగించండి అంటూ తెగ మొహమాట పెట్టిస్తున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు తమిళనాడులో ఎక్కడ చూసినా అమ్మ క్యాంటీన్లు కంటే வரையே ₹5 ಸಾಂಬಾರನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ₹3 ಮೊಸರನ್ನ ತೆರೆದಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಜೆ ₹5ಗೆ 2 ಚಪಾತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಳೆಕಟ್ಟು ವಿತರಿಸುವ ಯೋಜನೆ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಲಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆಯಿಂದ
But the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister does have an answer to the galloping food prices.
It is really cheap. Just weight like ₹1 is nothing. But here each idli is very big in size, and normally the cost would be around ₹3 or ₹4. Yes, just ₹1. The sambar is also very good. The correct spice and hygiene is the main condition in government place. But here it is really clean. Water is also given a purifier.
The customers are happy. The prices are low. Food tasty. Top selling items on the menu are sambar rice, curd rice, curry leaf rice, and lemon rice. Priced at 5 Gs a plate, sambar rice at this canteen alone sells 450 plates every day.
அதிகபட்ச வரியில சாப்பிடணும். இந்த வெரைட்டி ரைஸ் 25 ரூபாய் தாண்டி சாப்பிட முடியாது. நீங்க 5 ரூபாய்க்கு தரமாவும் இருக்கு, சாப்பிட ருசியாவும் இருக்கு, திருப்தியா இருக்கு சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு. ₹10 எடுத்து வேலை முடிஞ்சு போயிடும். இந்த சாப்பாடு வாங்க திருப்தியா சாப்பிடும்.